kidding. All right, we're gonna start with this one and we'll start over. Okay, ready? Y, Y.
Y, Y.
G, G.
G, G.
C,
C,
U,
U,
M,
M,
I,
I,
E,
E,
R,
R,
N,
N,
F,
F,
J, J.
J, J.
Stuck together. D, D.
D, D.
L, O.
L, O. Like a lion.
A,
A, like an apple.
Q, Qu.
Q, Q. Like a queen.
B, B.
B, like the baby.
W,
W, like a
S,
S, soap. Like soap.
V,
Boo. V, like a target.
violin. O, A.
O,
We're just doing our sound. Hey, listen, we're just doing our sounds right now. K, T,
T,
P,
P,
X,
X,
H,
H,
Z,
Z,
S.
S,
I think I put one in the wrong spot. All right, we did W, right?
yeah,
We already went through them?
yeah.
All right, good job. All right, now I'm just going to show you the letter, and y'all are going to tell me what it is. You ready? I'm gonna shuffle them up so you're not ready. All right, ready, go.
J,
What does J say?
J,
Good. Okay,
B,
not V, it's
Y.
similar. Y, good job. What does Y say? Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Everybody say it. Yeah. Good.
G,
G, what does G say?
Good
Good job.
C,
C. Good, good. Everybody say good job. Like
U,
you. Ah, good job, Beverly.
I said
You, good job.
M,
N. Good job. Okay.
I,
Good job.
Like scratch.
Not scratch.
E,
E. F. Good job.
R,
Good job. Good job. It does say but what letter is that? N. There you go. N says Good. Like nest. Nest. F says
Like
good.
fish.
Like fish. Good job.
B,
V.
like
V.
like feet.
Remember, don't put a at the end. It's just not
Like
the.
a violin.
Like
Like-
violin. Good job.
O, octopus.
Like a octopus. Good job. It does say K. So what letter is that? K. Good job. K.
It's like a key.
Yes.
T.
T
Like
says
a brush our
good
teeth.
job.
Like
Like
brush
toothbrush.
our teeth.
And like
P.
tight. P.
I got popcorn at home.
Like a what?
I got popcorn at home.
Like popcorn at home. Yeah. So
Can I get a red popcorn?
popcorn.
I got popcorn.
Okay. You ready?
Yummy.
Yeah. Okay.
X.
X.
Like a box.
Box. Good job.
Like
Sure.
a box.
sound. It's the sound. What's the letter called?
H.
Good job.
H
H says,
a hammer. It says boom, boom,
yep,
boom.
like hammer. Okay.
C.
Z says, good job.
A zipper. S.
S.
Like
Good
some
job.
soap. W.
W.
Like you
Ooh,
Like
good
you
job. Like wave. Yep.
B.
B says,
Like a bear. Like a
good
bear.
job. Like bear. Good job.
I thought it was What?
What is the sound? So what's the letter?
Queen.
Qua. Qua.
Queen.
It is like a queen because it has the qua sound.
Like
Do you remember what this is
called?
A Q. And who's always with it?
A queen.
No, but who's always with your
You.
Q? You. Good job. And that says what?
Queen.
Qua. Good job. L says good. D says D. Not duh. D. Quick and short. There you go. J says J. Like jacket. Good job. This is where we started, wasn't it? Why?
Yeah, we did this.
Did we not do it in the G, did we?
We did all
We did? Alright. Good job, friends. Yes, baby. Claire, I need your